First question, using the relation from the first pair, complete the other. Filament, tungsten, heating coil, dash. Answer is nichrome. Second question, which one is not related to Joule's law? I square RT, V square RT, V square divided by RT, VIT. Answer is V square RT. Third question, what is the color of the light emitted by discharge lamp filled with the nitrogen when it works? Answer, red. Question number 4, how many resistors of 176 ohms should be connected in parallel to get 5A current from 220 V supply? A2, B3, C6, D4. Answer is 4. Next question, which of the given material has the highest resistivity? A. Nichrome, B. Copper, C. Aluminium and D. Silver. Answer is nichrome. Which among the following is the special characteristics of a material to be used as a heating coil in an electric heating device? A. Low melting point, B. High resistivity, C. Large area of cross section, D. Low resistance. Answer, high resistivity. If we apply 330 volt for a device having 330 volt and 400 watt, what will happen the power of the device? Options, increases, decreases, doesn't change. Answer is decreases. Among the different lamps, LEDs are the most accepted and widely used. Write the properties of LED bulbs which made it possible. Answer, very low power consumption, very low wastage of energy in the form of heat, does not harm environment, LED of different colors can be made. An electric heater working at 230 volt produces 1000 joule energy in 1 second. A. What is the power of the lamp? B. Calculate the resistance of heating coil used in it. C. Calculate the heat generated by it when it works for 5 minutes. Answers, A. P is equal to H by T is equal to 1000 divided by 1 is equal to 1000 watt. B. R is equal to V square divided by P is equal to 230 square divided by 1000 is equal to 52.9 ohm. C. H is equal to P into T is equal to 1000 into 5 into 60 is equal to 3 lakhs joule. Analyze the table and fill it suitably. Electric current intensity is made 3 times, heat produced becomes 9 times. In a circuit, fuse wire is connected in series. Electric current intensity is reduced to 1 by 4, heat produced becomes 1 by 16 times. Choose the appropriate items from the box: nichrome, tungsten, fuse wire, nitrogen. A. Which is used as heating coil. B. Which is an alloy of tin and lead. C. Which is used as filament. Answers are A. Nichrome, B. Fuse wire, C. Tungsten. Find out the relation and complete the missing part. A. Filament, B. Low melting point and C. Nichrome. Classify the following as those suitable for fluorescent lamps and for arc lamps. A. The main part is carbon rods. B. The heating coil is coated with thorium oxide. C. Used in searchlights. D. More harmful for the environment. E. More intense light. F. Ultraviolet rays are produced. Answers are arc lamps A, C and E, fluorescent lamps B, D and F. Complete the table suitably. Hydrogen blue color, neon orange with red color, nitrogen red color and chlorine green color. What are the advantages of fluorescent lamps over incandescent lamps? Answers: 1. Saves electrical energy to a greater extent. 2. The inconvenience caused by shadow is minimized. 3. The life of fluorescent lamp is about 5 times that of incandescent lamps. An electric bulb marked 500 watt and 250 volt is connected to a 250 volt supply. A. Find the electric current through the circuit. B. Calculate the resistance of the bulb. Answers: A. P is equal to 500 watt, V is equal to 250 volt, P is equal to V into I is equal to P by V is equal to 500 divided by 250 is equal to 2A. B, R is equal to V by I is equal to 250 divided by 2 is equal to 125 ohm. If the resistance of two soldering irons working in 250 volt are 500 ohm and 750 ohm, A, calculate which one of these will carry more current. B, find out which soldering iron has more power. C, calculate the heat produced in 5 minutes in the soldering iron having resistance 750 ohm. Answers: A, I is equal to V by R, current through 500 ohm, I is equal to 250 volt divided by 500 ohm is equal to 1 by 2A. Current through 750 ohm, I is equal to 250 volt divided by 750 ohm is equal to 1 by 3A. B, soldering iron has less resistance. C, H is equal to I square RT. H is equal to 250 square into 300 divided by 750 is equal to 25,000 joule. Which are the devices that give heating effect of electric current? Answer: electric iron, electric stove, microwave oven, heating coil and induction cooker. A, what is meant by amperage? B, an appliance of power 690 watt is used in a branch circuit if the voltage is 230 watt. What is its amperage? Answers: A, amperage is the ratio of the power of an equipment to the voltage applied. B, A is equal to P by V is equal to 690 divided by 230 is equal to 3A. Factors influencing the heat developed when a current passes through a conductor. Answer: electric current, resistance of the conductor, time of current flow. Let's calculate the heat developed when a 3A current flows through an electric iron box designed to work under 230 volt. Answer: V is equal to 230 volt, I is equal to 3A, T is equal to 30 minutes, that is 30 into 60 is equal to 1800 seconds. H is equal to V into I into T is equal to 230 into 3 into 1800 is equal to 12,42,000 joule, that is 1242 k joule. Let's find out the heat developed in 3 minutes by a device of resistance 920 ohm working under 230 watt. Answer: volt is equal to 230 V, R is equal to 920 watt, T is equal to 3 into 60 second, I is equal to V by R, that is 230 divided by 920 is equal to 0.25. H is equal to I square RT, that is 0.25 square into 920 into 3 into 60 is equal to 10,350 joule. What are the advantages of using discharge lamps instead of incandescent lamps? Answer: loss of electricity in the form of heat is less, more lifespan, no shadow formation, more light is obtained, less consumption of electricity. Write down the reasons for the following statements. A, don't throw unwanted fluorescent tubes. B, nichrome is not used as filament in incandescent lamps. C, fuse wire is melt when electric current increased. D, why is the incandescent filled with an inert gas or nitrogen? Answer: A, it contains mercury which causes several environmental problems. B, it can remain only in red hot condition but it can give light. C, when current flows at higher temperature produced in the circuit, fuse wire has low melting point compared to other, so it melts. D, to prevent the vaporization of filament.